Years has passed ever since the events of Kazuo Christokura and his army, and now we're living in peace. But the questions still don't stop there. My question is, why did Kazuo Christokura destroy my planet? Why did the Night Winds experiment on me? And what are the 7XC's crystals? All these answers still remain unknown. But we managed to find out one true identity of our friend of X. X's real name was Isaiah the Ghost Wind. He was a ghost wind part of the Night Winds and the Vamp Winds. The three winds, and we managed to find that out too. There were three elite winds in our past: Night Wind, Vamp Winds, and Ghost Winds. And the three top ones were me, Brittany, and Isaiah. But everywhere in years has passed, and then the Wind Shacks had found an abandoned tall city and decided to put it in the name of the Wind Shacks and call it Windtech City. In the name of the town, the Wind Shacks are doing their best to improve the town. They improve the town's defenses and a line of hope. But there's things that even us need to know about Kazuo Christokura's message about when the land reaches 1,000,000 apes. The world will experience a catastrophe of a new threat of destruction. But will that even happen? Well, we'll just have to find out for ourselves. Hmm? Hey Nathan, what's going on? The city has been full operational, but I guess there's some complaints to the city about things. And what will that be? Store influence is in 98%. We need a way how we can influence it down. So you're asking for my advice since I'm the commander. Well, yeah. It has been 7 years, bro. Well, how's Levi and Kathy? Levi is working on the new military. The military is doing the Windshock military is doing everything they can, and they're testing their weapons out. Now, if they can just get the outer space part right, we can finally go beyond like never before. That's good news. And Kathy's finding new recruits for us. She said that she knows some friends that can help us improve a new future. I see. Oh, and by the way, Karo is called me to tell you to meet her at the park. She just wanted to hang out with you. Really? Well, who's gonna be watching the office while I'm gone? Don't worry, I'll do it. Bros stick together, Case. No matter what. Nathan, what can I do without you? Nothing. That's all. That's the only thing you got for you, Case. Whack. Really, nigga? Success! I can't believe rocket number 10 has successfully gone up to space. And it's thanks to you two, Isaiah and Levi. I really thank you guys.
You're welcome, Siles. It took about 10 tries to do this. But now we really finished this project. Speaking of project, how's our secret project doing?
The project's at 45%. It's gonna take a bit more longer and work to do this. But with you guys' help, I can be able to bring the project so we can have a better future for us all. But the message. I'm worried about what he's saying about the message about 1,000,000 apes roaming the place. It will bring an invasion. But let's forget about that now and focus on the main part.
So Cyclone, how do you like the new bar so far? I love it. The people love it here as well. So what do we do now? Huh? Oh hey Cassie, what are you doing here? Yeah, we were about to leave anyway. Cassie, what the fuck? What the hell are you doing?
The world is almost at 1,000,000 apes. Soon you will all join with my master and the Durkalon Empire.
Master? Durkalon Empire?
Ah, what a beautiful day. I can't believe we've been in peace for 7 years. Yeah, it's just, I really like having a girl's time with you girls. Huh? Bluefire? Is something wrong? Well now, what? What the hell? What is that energy I'm sensing? It's like nothing we fight before. Wait, what do you mean? Wait, you don't mean... Jeez, what the hell was that?
No, but something's not right here. Wait, I'm getting a call. Hello? Ah, Case, just the person I needed to see. What's going on? I just received word that a mysterious ship that came out of nowhere and started destroying the park. The girls are in full crisis mode, and I'm afraid the entire city is as well. We already assembled all the wind shacks in the city to keep the people safe and hold off of the ship no matter what. We're calling out everybody need to pull off the stops. Net Crystal, return to base immediately. We need all the help we can get. Understand? Copy that. We'll be there soon. Karo, are you ready?
Oh yeah.
It's been a while, Nathan. I haven't seen you since we've been fighting that anti-crystal guy. So what are you doing?
True. It's been a while, Galaxy. And also, I'm just running some errands for Case. Since he's ruling Windtech City, I have to do all the errands for him. But I'm not even sure if this is going to be the peaceful way to end this all. But it's just not that.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
You are prisoners for the 4 emperors of the Durkalon Empire.
I never thought that a lot of you guys decided to ambush us while we were talking with each other.
That's just so rude of you all.
We are nobody's prisoner, so it's time for you all to die.
Michael, where the hell did these guys came from? How the hell should I know? They just keep coming.
Well, if you shut your huge asses up and kill them already.
Kathy, are you okay?
Wow, no thanks to you guys.
Siles, it's true. They're everywhere around the city.
Yeah, we know. Our scanners are indicating multiple armies. It's like they're not even stopping. It's like they came from another world and... Wait, what? Incoming call for the entire human race? Put it on the big screens. We all need to see what it is.
Attention, fools of planet Earth. We are the Durklan Empire. Oh, and allow us to introduce ourselves. I'm the Red Emperor. And this here is the Blue Emperor. We are here to terminate the entire universe and conquer it in the name of our Emperor. Me and the Blue Emperor are one of the 4 emperors of the Durklan Empire. And all of you human flesh, all of the species of the entire universe has seen the grass of our revenge. It is that day. Our mission is to turn the entire universe into our kind, and our past will become fiction. And all of you are gonna die, causing the name of all of our army. What you see here is the beginning of our revenge. We are after the 7 Chaos Emeralds and the 7 Sol Emeralds to complete our plan. If you all don't hand over the Chaos Emerald and the Sol Emeralds, the entire Durklan fleet will destroy everything in the entire universe as we speak. And therefore, all of you, including you Wind Shacks, won't be needed. And that is our beginning of the end. Farewell, Wind Shacks. It has been a pleasure meeting you all.
Durklan Empire, huh? If they say it's just the beginning, then we're ready as well.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my head.